Tonight at 6, the truck driver accused of killing a Loudon County deputy is in court tonight. Investigators say Christopher Savannah was high on marijuana at the time of that deadly crash back in February. That suspect is facing several charges. Sergeant Chris Jenkins died in the crash. Authorities say that officer was blocking traffic to pull a ladder off I-75 when that trucker failed to stop.
It has been an emotional day in court with testimony underway. We check in once again with Cole Sullivan, who's been on that scene for hours now. Cole?
Rob and John, an emotional and marathon preliminary hearing here today. We just wrapped up and have some news for you. The judge here declared that there is probable cause for this case to move to the grand jury, and now it's been bonded over to the grand jury. He also declined to reduce the bond amount for Christopher Savannah. It was an emotional day, as you said, in court, the first time the family of Sergeant Jenkins came face to face with the man charged with killing him. We also heard testimony from officers here today, including some who knew Sergeant Jenkins when they arrived here on scene. One officer, the first THP trooper on scene, says that it was a chaotic scene when he pulled up. Unlike anything he'd worked before, he saw officers from the Loudon County Sheriff's Office crying at the scene, witnesses crying as well. Here's what he described.
For lack of better terms, it was chaotic, to say the least. I don't wish upon anyone having to see what I saw today. Okay.
We also heard testimony from other officers, a number of THP troopers and a Roane County Sheriff's Office detective, about the circumstances of both the truck, two inoperable brakes on the truck that Savannah is driving, they say. Also, a flat tire on the trailer of that big rig. They say that Savannah also had drugs in the cab of his truck. He admitted using marijuana, they say, in the hours before the crash, and they detailed how their field sobriety tests work. There's also, of course, problems with Savannah's license. The defense attorney tried to understand where the holes in those arguments may be as this case moves forward. Back to you.
All right, Cole, thank you.